In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a 5,000 Amazon voucher on Dream11. Suppose you're a big fan of fantasy sports and looking to make the most out of your Amazon voucher for some exciting games. In that case, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step in detail so you can seamlessly transition your voucher from Amazon to your Dream11 account. First things first, start by opening the Amazon.in website or your Amazon app on your device. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your details to access your account. Once you're in, locate the gift cards section on the site. This is usually visible in the top navigation menu. In this section, you'll find the option to redeem a gift card. Clicking here will bring you to a page where you can enter your unique gift card code. Carefully type in the code, ensuring no extra spaces or typos, which can lead to errors. After entering the code, simply click on the Redeem button. This action will successfully transfer the 5,000 amount from your voucher to your Amazon Pay balance. Now that your Amazon Pay balance is loaded with your voucher amount, let's move to the next phase, spending it on Dream11. It's important to check if there's an ongoing promotion that allows you to use Amazon Pay on Dream11. These promotions can vary, so double-check with Dream11's latest updates through their app or website. Once you've ensured the promotion is in place and you're eligible to pay with Amazon Pay, it's time to set up your team or participate in contests right from your Dream11 app. After you've selected your players and contests, proceed to the checkout page. Here, you will find numerous payment options. Look for the payment option labeled Amazon Pay on the list. Selecting this will redirect you to the Amazon Pay interface. Log in if prompted, and you'd see your balance available for use. Choose the Amazon Pay balance as your payment method and complete the transaction. You'll receive confirmations from Dream11 showing your successful entry into the contest, leveraging the funds transferred from your Amazon voucher. A quick tip: always keep an eye on your transaction history for both Amazon and Dream11 just to ensure everything processed smoothly. And there you have it. By redeeming your Amazon voucher first and then using it via Amazon Pay during a Dream11 promotion, you've smartly funded your fantasy plays. So go ahead and have fun crafting your winning teams. Remember to regularly check for similar promotions and keep your gaming responsible and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has equipped you with everything you need to make the most of your Amazon voucher on Dream11.